Hello, you're watching ERi-TV News. I'm Bersabe Takhle, and these are the headlines for today. "18 patients have been diagnosed positive for COVID-19 and tests is carried out today. Villages regrouping process in Halhal subzone. United Kingdom registered a record number of daily COVID-19 cases. 27 people feared killed in a fire accident in Japan. On the local news, we have an announcement from the Ministry of Health. 18 patients have been diagnosed positive for COVID-19 and tests is carried out today at testing stations and quarantine centers in the central, southern, northern Red Sea and southern Red Sea regions. Out of this, 12 patients are from quarantine centers 3 and testing stations 9 in Asmara Central region. 4 patients are from testing stations in Maidema 2 and Imnahaili 2 southern region. 1 patient is from testing station in Massawa, northern Red Sea region, and the last patient is from testing station in Asab, southern Red Sea region. On the other hand, 12 patients who have been receiving medical treatment in hospitals in the Central 11 and Gashbarka 1 regions have recovered fully and have been discharged from these facilities. Sadly, a 79 and a 75-year-old patients from the Central region have passed away due to the pandemic. The total number of recovered patients has accordingly increased to 7,521, while the number of deaths has risen to 67. The total number of confirmed cases in the country to date has increased to 7,731. Ministry of Health, Asmara, December 17, 2021. According to Mr. Girmation Abraha, administrator of Halhal subzone, 80% of villages regrouping process has been finalized in the subzone, indicating that master plan of the semi-urban centers of Halhal and Melefso has been finalized and plots of land for construction of residential houses has been allocated to 480 families. Mr. Girmation said the regrouping of the remaining villages will be conducted in the near future, pointing out that the regrouped villages have become beneficiaries of social provision services. The administrator called on the residents to make judicious use of the social service provision institutions put in their areas. Halhal subzone, that is located 45 kilometers north of Karan city, has 1 health center and 3 health stations, 11 kindergartens, 10 elementary, 7 junior, and 2 high schools, and is rich in vegetables and fruits farming. The residents of the Gumamet administrative area, Areza subzone, conducted road renovation popular campaign linking their administrative area with the Addugoto. Commending for the strong participation and contribution the residents demonstrated, the administrator of the administrative area called for machinery support for the sustainability of the road. The residents on their part said that the road is located on the main road connecting Mendefera with Maidema, has significant contribution in their socio-economic activities, and called for machinery support for lasting solution. The Gumamet administrative area is located about 36 kilometers southwest from Areza. Do stay with us for international news after the short break. The United Kingdom registered a record number of daily COVID-19 cases for the second day in a row, as the rapid spread of the Omicron variant continues to cause concern across the country. A total of more than 88,000 new cases were reported, up from 78,000 cases 24 hours earlier, bringing the total number of coronavirus cases in the country to around 11 million. and this is according to official figures released yesterday. Another 1,691 Omicron cases have been found in Britain, the biggest daily increase since the COVID-19 variant was detected in the country, taking the total Omicron cases found in the country to 11,708, and this is according to the UK Health Security Agency. The country also reported a further 146 coronavirus-related deaths. The total number of coronavirus-related deaths in Britain now stands at more than 147,000, with 7,579 COVID-19 patients still in hospitals. At least 27 people were feared killed today when a fire broke out in a commercial building in a shopping district in the Japanese city of Osaka. Police were investigating the cause of the fire on the fourth floor of the 8-story building for suspected arson, Kyodo News reported, citing investigative sources. An official at the city's fire department said 27 people were in cardiopulmonary arrest and 1 person was injured. The fire was reported shortly after the clinic opened for business at 10 a.m. and was mostly extinguished within 30 minutes. According to further reports, other floors of the building, which is near the Osaka's main station in the center of the city, were occupied by a beauty salon, a clothes shop, and an English language school. And now a recap of today's headlines. 18 patients have been diagnosed positive for COVID-19 and tests is carried out today. Villages regrouping process in Halhal subzone. United Kingdom registered a record number of daily COVID-19 cases. 27 people feared killed in a fire accident in Japan. That was all for today. Thanks for watching.